tunga te o Saminga, Father Offa, Fiona Minister Kabineta, Papesu Mamaru and Parliament. Alo Fiona te fono, ma suyo committee fatonu, for the two B.S.P Samoa, for the B.S.P Financial Group CEO, the Sungaya Mark Robinson and Mrs. Robinson. Yeah, o Baanga Mawo Mai, for the two B.S.P. If Manatu or ever my on the tutorial and you to our oi, a while I love for Manana the day or the tour. Yeah, near Fiafi, who are Tato, see the fire and the mamma, and so full of the day. A while put Fasoa, their tour, Ella, and so for Manados. Ote Manatu the need to la, or out there to a Halloween and Afro, a while Tonu and Manatu. Le tau whawhiwima o tātou rafo. Le tau la eia fo i le mao Sofia, le tau taino whiwaa. I pa ia mamadu Samoa. Samoa le atunu ua uma o le mamanu. Ma whatu whaaselu o na upa. A le alafu le ngangana ai se whaise upu le ngangana whapetitania. A wā le so. Kono whamule moe, kono o whiru nia le tātou mātutanga. A very bright green greetings. Good evening, everyone. It gives me great pleasure as the Prime Minister of Samoa to address this gathering this evening. And I extend a warm welcome to the Bank of South Pacific Samoa Limited board members, the Group Chief Executive Officer for B.S.P Financial Group Limited, Mr. Mark Robinson, and Mrs. Robinson, for your first visit to Samoa as a B.S.P Samoa Limited board member and B.S.P Financial Group Limited's Group Chief Executive Officer, as well as each one of you who are here this evening. Your presence here is a testament to the significance of our shared undertakings and the vital role B.S.P and each of its customers and partners play in shaping our nation's progress and future. As Prime Minister, I am acutely aware of the importance of your contributions to our economy and society. As we reflect on the journey of B.S.P in Samoa, we are reminded of the dedication, hard work, and innovation that B.S.P has brought in the last 8 years to Samoa. Through these 8 years, B.S.P has provided employment to over 100 individuals each year. It's harnessed our local talent into governance and leadership roles in Samoa and the region. Its contribution to our nation's economic growth via the total taxes paid of 53 million tala in the last 8 years, as well as its services creating value to over 67,000 private households, businesses, and organizations. B.S.P Samoa Limited is well commended for its due focus on governance by having the majority of independent directors on its board, localizing most of its top management positions, and the promotion of Samoan nationals to the B.S.P group level. It has also been focusing and supporting the community and its funded projects here in Samoa, benefiting many families and communities. We are grateful to corporates and organizations such as B.S.P for filling these crucial opportunities in our country. I am informed the values of B.S.P include integrity, leadership, people, teamwork, and community, which resonate deeply with the principles we hold dear as a nation. It is a driving force behind our economic progress and the foundation to a prosperous future for our nation. I urge each one of us to do our part. Our government is committed to fostering an environment of growth and innovation, where business can thrive and customers can access the best services and products. In today's rapidly changing world, adaptability and innovation are key to success. In particular, we live in times where climate action is crucial and digital transformation is becoming a norm worldwide. I am comforted to note that Samoa's financial system is also gradually embracing these new and challenging areas, as reflected in the Finance Sector Plan for financial years 2021 to 2024-25, and the pathway for the development of Samoa financial years 21-22 to 25-26, as they will greatly shape our nation's economic sustainability in the years ahead. I believe that all our financial institutions alike have an important role to play in these initiatives to ensure our small island economy progresses in tandem with the rest of the world. Therefore, I encourage B.S.P to continue embracing innovation and the evolving times. Given your leading market position, B.S.P's success is intertwined with the prosperity of Samoa, and I have no doubt that together we can achieve even greater heights for Samoa and our people. Moreover, and perhaps on a personal challenge, from a leader of a small island developing state, I would like to ask the B.S.P Group to consider opening branches in New Zealand and Australia. This will open up another potential financial service or avenue for our Pacific diaspora in these two countries, as well as assist in servicing correspondent banking relationships for our Pacific financial jurisdictions. I also did mention to you this afternoon when we talked whether you might consider entering the banking services for American Samoa. We are resuming our talks with our sister country, but they are lacking in good financial services. And you might see this as an opportunity, Mr. Robertson. Again, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the B.S.P Samoa Limited Board, including the B.S.P Financial Group Limited CEO Mark Robinson and Mrs. Robinson, as well as all B.S.P's customers and partners present this evening. Yeah, le mai le tua ma familia e ma mai le wala dia le komiti fatonu fa per pulenga ma le pena al tatu fa tupe Pacifica Sauti. I wish this gathering a joyous and successful evening. Soy fuwa may manuia.